got it. It's my mother. This whole time I was thinking that my father was the key to this, but it's her.
I don't understand.
I gotta go. You two keep working here, and when I get back, I'll know how to solve this.
Where are you going?
To convince her to change his mind.
You know, your father used to always tell me to teach our boy how to think, not what to think. You're tall.
Hi, Mom.
This isn't real, is it?
It has to be.
Okay. Well, for now, let's talk. A mother and her son.
Is it okay where you are?
I'm lonely. I long for the things that I lost. You and your father.
I found him.
Your father?
That's right. He's alive. We've been to amazing places together.
I see. So he gets to leave for all these years. He gets to abandon us. And now he's just some big hero after all this time?
That's not true. But Mom, you have to listen to me. I need you to do something that's not going to make any sense right now.
Okay.
Just after my 7th birthday, there will be an accident. Dad is going to take me to the hospital and do something that will alter the course of the planet. Something so big that they'll rewrite the history books.
Which part?
All of it. I need you to